Hi, is your online business legal, or are you making legal mistakes in your business? Did you know 53% of business owners face a lawsuit every year? I know all about it because my own dad's business got sued for $90,000 because he did not use a legal contract with the person that he had hired. But you can be smarter. How would you like to protect your online business legally in as little as 30 minutes without losing sleep, without wasting countless hours, and without spending all your money on hiring an expensive lawyer? My name is Amira Irfan, and I'm a business lawyer, seven-figure blogger, and coach over at aselfgrew.com. I've been working as a lawyer for over 10 years, and I've had the honor of helping 30,000 entrepreneurs with my affordable legal templates and services. So if you visit the legal store page on my website at aselfgrew.com, you will see the discounted legal bundles and templates that have helped thousands of entrepreneurs sleep peacefully at night. And these templates work for any kind of online business owner. So if you're a blogger, coach, freelancer, interior designer, a real estate professional, these templates are going to work for you. Go ahead and click the link around this video to sign up for my free legal guide to find out the 3 legal mistakes I see entrepreneurs making all the time and how to avoid those mistakes. So we're talking mistakes that can get you audited, fined, and sued by the Federal Trade Commission, mistakes that can get you in trouble with your readers and your customers. Just click the link around the video to sign up, and I will send you your free legal guide right away so you can take the massive step towards legally protecting yourself and your business. I can't wait to welcome you.